Christmas cookies. We're gonna divide the colors in the cookie. We're gonna start with the stiff consistency. So remember, the stiff one is the one that has an orange. So we're gonna start, and we can make some. So first of all, you're gonna do the edges or with the stiff consistency, all of the cookies, and then you're gonna start flooding the cookie. For example, this one. Then I'm gonna start going to all the edges. Some of them are not too soft. You can use a toothpick to reach any corners or edges. Or you can always shake your cookie also, okay? So, I don't know if you have any questions. So first you're gonna divide the colors you're using. For example, here, we're gonna use brown for the do the green, do all of them like that, and then start flooding your cookies. For these, we're gonna use some sprinkles, Halloween sprinkles, and the details, we're gonna do them later, when this is a little bit dry, okay? So, hands on.
So we should have two greens, a flooding green and a
Yes, you're gonna have two.
We don't have two greens.
No?
No.
Okay. Let me see
Okay.
which one. No, you're gonna share
No.
colors.
We're sharing, but we only have one green.
Yes, but one of these is for 3.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But I will give you.
Okay. Thank you.
Were you able to email that to you?
I think so. Did it go through? I'll check.
It takes like 3 hours. Yeah.
So wait, on the actual edges.
The edges, like 5 minutes to flood them. Okay.
The inside is going to take
Like 3 hours or more. So then you can put them on the small bag. Yes. You can use also a dehydrator or dehydrator, and it quickens.
and refrigerator will not quick it.
Maybe, but better the dehydrator.